guys, so I don't know about my voice. It's just I'm making an egg right now. Wait. And I have this green juice here. And it is from Naked. It has such a weird name. And it has oh my gosh. There is apples, banana, kiwi, mango, pineapple, spirulina, alfalfa, broccoli, spinach, kale, garlic, barley grass, wheatgrass, ginger, and parsley. If you ever had mango tango from Adwala, it tastes exactly like that, except it's green. So it's really cool. I'm making my egg because I also just straightened my hair. And now I'm just putting some salt and pepper on the egg. Oh wait, we're gonna do this because. Truth. Go. Alright, that was more truth. Great. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm going to wear my like mint green Converse with this, but it's just a shirt that I cut from Roxy, and then these same high-waisted white shorts from Justice, and then I just have some random socks on. And yep, we're going on a hike. This is the current view. We're waiting for my dad to scout it out, and this is the current view. It's really pretty. We're on this rock right here, and it's just really pretty down there. My dad's kind of going up, checking it out, and we're just kind of resting. Guys, so this is the view. Very nice. I like it. It's a waterfall. There, taking pictures. Look at that string right there. I think you can swing on it right there. Okay, that's cool. I made it back. So hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. So hard. I ran to the gate. I ran to that. It was so hard. Oh my god. I'm so glad we're going to the beach now. Oh my god. Oh god. I was just like, oh. I'm so glad we had no more hikes. The last straw. Last straw. I'm gonna see if I said cow poo. Did I? Is that cow poo? No. I didn't say cow poo. Okay. I'm just so glad. Alright. See you guys when I'm in the car. So guys, so current background is palm trees, which is great. I love it. The waves aren't that good, so I didn't really go in. You can see my hair is still dry.
That was fun.
But it was a pretty short beach day. My brother's somewhere over there reading, and yeah, we didn't really do much. I'm gonna show you the ocean because it's just so pretty, and like, look at those palm trees. Like, okay, I'm gonna go show you. The beautiful ocean. Look at those waves. They're not that big, and I usually like bigger waves, so you know. But there is some people buggy boarding and stuff over there. Yeah. But we're gonna leave in a little bit, and then parents are gonna probably go out dinner, and then you know they're gonna stay home and do stuff. So yeah. So we're walking up, and whoa, and then my parents are going out, and me and my brother are gonna be home. Stuff, yeah.